Very warm good evening to one and all. Myself, I'm Karthik. So this is the first time I'm attending this program actually. This is, even I don't know about this Happycoin and this institution or something, this office. And my friend, one of my very good friend, Mr. Manoj. This is the second time or third time I don't know. Today morning he told me that today the seminar is going on. We have to attend, so we'll be helping us. And I'm just 26 years old. I'm not even going to proper job also this time. So by coming to over here, I understood that and what is a financial management, why it is necessary, and how it will help to us, and how we have to think, and how our parents will struggle for each and everything for us. So I understood each and everything, and this is a very great platform to understand for each and every youngster to learn about the financial management. What I forgot your name, Mr. So Mr. Surendra has told that he has been working in IT sector since from this, he's thinking from the last years in this houses. And I request Mr. Vaasu to do more webinars to guide the and to get more and more, and as well as with the Mr. Vinay's help. If you both can do more and more webinars, if it is possible, at least once in a month or else for every quarterly, for every 3 years to get more awareness to the youngsters, because nowadays as what Vinay sir has told that India is growing on it, but not having this much of awareness in the youngsters right now. If you collect more and more, then definitely it will help to us like us our type of youngsters. In not only in financial management is not only in terms of to save our lives, not only it helps us to invest to fulfill our dreams, like as youngsters having the more dreams to start up their own business, to start up their manufacturing unit, something like that. It will also help. I hope so. It also may help. Sure. And thank you to Mr. Manoj, my friend, who is there, and to this platform also for again. And thank you, all. Thank you.